Okay. Star. Where will you put the stars? Yes. Very good. Sit. Okay. How about this circle? Good. Square. Okay. A little big. This is little big. Jordan, this will come down. Yeah, search for it, baby. Square. Yes! Very good. Very good. Okay, where will this square go? By the way, where will this square go? Okay, he's picking up one by one. Yes! Very good. Okay. The big star. This is big, baby. Big will go. Where is the big one? Search for the big star. Where is the big star? Yes, very good. Very good. Very good. Very good boy. Yeah, where will that go? Circle. Where will you put the circle? Yay! Yay, Jordy. Very good. Where will the star go? Big one? Yes! Very nice! Very good boy. So happy. Hexagon. Where will the hexagon go? Big one. Yay! Yes, that's a square. It's small. Yeah, square. Okay, now we have few remaining. Yes! Very good. Good. Yay. Very good. Jordy, can you give me a high five? Can you give me a high five? Yes. This was well deserved, Jordan. Good. No, baby. No, baby. Oh. Baby, we are doing matching. We are not doing with the sort. Oh my God, what are you doing? Daddy, what are you doing?